In this video, I'm going to talk about the native Hiligaynon consonant ta. The native Hiligaynon letter T has only one and only one sound wherever it is located in a word. It could be at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of a word and still maintains the same sound. Ta, ti, tu. The native Hiligaynon consonant ta is never aspirated, as in the English words table and talk. Rather, it is always a hard, if not impactful, ta, as in taas, meaning tall or high. Also in the word tolon, meaning to swallow. So the letter T in taas is sounded as ta, ta, and not ta, ta. No, we don't say taas, but we say taas, taas, taas. The same goes for tolon. The T in tolon is sounded as tu, tu, and not tu, tu. So nobody says tulon, but everybody says tolon, tolon. Again, taas, taas, tolon, tolon. The consonant T is not fast or flapped to make it sound like a rolling D, as in the English words waiter or reporter. In English, you say waiter. So the T in waiter sounds like a rolling D or a soft rolling D. The T in reporter has exactly the same sound. Reporter, a soft rolling D. But the words waiter and reporter are very common words in Hiligaynon. However, Hiligaynon speakers do not say waiter or reporter. Instead, they say waiter, waiter. And they also say reporter, reporter. This is how these loan words from English sound like when they are spoken by Hiligaynon speakers. Again, waiter, waiter, reporter, reporter. Other common loan words from English of the same nature are butter, city, party, letter. Again, butter, city, party, letter. And never butter, city, party, or letter, because they would sound foreign to the Ilonggo ear. Now here are examples of native Hiligaynon words with the consonant ta in the middle. We have mata to mean eye or eyes. We also have batiis, meaning the lower part of the leg or the calf of the leg. We have utod, meaning sibling. So this could be a younger sibling or an older sibling. Again, we have the consonant ta in the middle of these words. So let's go over these words again. Mata, mata, batiis, batiis, utod, utod. There is also a case of the consonant ta where it is not stopped or held when it is at the end of a word, such as in the English words bat and wallet. So the final sound in these words is represented by the letter T. However, this letter is not sounded if you have to listen to it closely. You say bat and wallet, bat, wallet. But this doesn't happen in Hiligaynon words, because in Hiligaynon words, the letter T at the end of the word is always clearly sounded. So these English words are also common loan words in everyday Hiligaynon. So instead of saying bat or wallet, a native speaker would say bat, bat, and wallet, wallet. Yes, an Ilonggo person would say bat and wallet. The T at the end of these words is clearly sounded. Bat, wallet. Likewise, the letter T here is never aspirated. So nobody says bat or wallet, but always bat, wallet, bat, wallet. Here are some examples of native Hiligaynon words that end in the consonant ta. Balot. It's a street food delicacy in the Philippines. It is a hard-boiled fertilized duck egg and sometimes chicken egg, meaning there is an embryo inside, as shown in the picture here. We also have kamot, meaning hand, and kimpit, which could mean two things, tongs or clothespin. Balot, kamot, kimpit. Balot, kamot, kimpit. The T at the end is very clear. There's one more case about the native Hiligaynon consonant, ta. It is never silent or vanishing. It means it is always sounded even if it follows the consonant na or the letter N. Let's take, for example, the English word internet. Here we see that the consonant ta follows the letter N. And so English speakers say internet. Clearly, the T here is silent, but even if you sound it by saying internet, you still aspirate it, which is still foreign to Hiligaynon. With Hiligaynon words, the consonant ta or the letter T is always sounded. So, internet in English becomes internet in Hiligaynon. Again, internet, internet. The same goes for the word printer, printer. English speakers would say printer, but an Ilonggo person or a Hiligaynon speaker would say printer, printer, printer. Internet, printer. Internet, printer. We have here examples of native Hiligaynon words with the consonant ta following the letter N. The first one we have here is bantay, meaning to guard. Next is tin tin, meaning to hop on one foot. And then we have lantaw, meaning to watch. So the consonant ta in these words follows the letter N. But even though this is the case, the consonant ta in Hiligaynon is always sounded. So, bantay, tintin, lantaw, bantay, tintin, lantaw. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the consonants wa and ya. This is Angelo, your Hiligaynon tutor. I teach Hiligaynon from my perspective as a native speaker. Madamo gid nga salamat. If you find these video lessons helpful, please like and subscribe. I post a video lesson every week.